We'll guide you through how to identify when ChatGPT is lying. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log in if you haven't already. It's important to understand that ChatGPT is not intentionally deceptive, but can sometimes provide inaccurate information due to limitations in its training data. To determine if ChatGPT might be lying or providing incorrect information, you need to be proactive in verifying the content. Start by asking ChatGPT detailed questions. If it provides an answer that seems off, take a moment to cross-check this information with reliable sources. Websites like official government pages, reputable news outlets, or academic journals can be great for verification. Another method is to ask ChatGPT the same question in different ways. If the answers are inconsistent, this may be a sign that the information is not entirely reliable. Remember, ChatGPT's responses are based on patterns in the data it has been trained on, which means it might not have access to the most current or accurate information on certain topics. If you're dealing with technical or factual queries, use specialized platforms or databases to confirm the data you receive from ChatGPT. You can also enable plugins or use the browsing capability if available, which can sometimes help ChatGPT access more recent information. However, always double check the facts, especially if the information is crucial. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.